students? Now Debarag Hajra, Debarag, good afternoon. Okay, today is now prepare a financial statement. Now given some example. Okay. From the following balance sheet extracted from the books of Monohol Limited, prepare the trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Sheikh Ramzan joined. Okay. From the following balance sheet, problem 1. From the following balance sheet, from the following balances extracted from the books, extracted from the books of Monohar Lal, prepare a trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Monohar Lal prepare trading account, profit and loss account and from the following balance sheet, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now particulars. Rupees, debit, credit. Machinery problem. Machinery 9850. Opening stock 10,000. Purchases and sales. Purchases and sales 40,000, 60,000. Purchases and sales 40,000, 60,000. Trade expenses, wages and salaries 1,000. Wages and salaries 1,000. Trade expenses 800. Trade expenses 800. Return 100 or 150. Sales tax 800. sales tax 800, royalty on production 5, sales tax 800. Okay, next royalty on production 5,000, royalty on production 5,000, interest on investment 600, incidental expenses 600, 2,000, audit fees 200, royalty on production 1200, interest in investment 5,000, interest in investment 5,000, incidental expenses 600, incidental expenses 600, audit fees 2,000, brokerage 600, brokerage 600, excise duty 1,200, excise duty 1,200, building 6,000, building 6,000, তাহলে royalty on production 1,200, interest in investment 5,000, incidental expenses 600, audit fee 2,000, brokerage 600, excise duty 1,200, building 6,000. Okay. Livestock livestock 8,000, goodwill 6,000, goodwill 6,000, bank overdraft 8,000, bank overdraft 8,000, capital 12,000, debtors creditors and creditors 6,000, 9,000. Total 94,000, 150, 94,000, 150. Closing stock rupees 20,000. Closing stock adjustment rupees 20,000. Closing stock rupees 20,000. Adjustment closing stock rupees. Closing stock rupees 20,000. Now I am audible, Devarko. Now sound is clear. Kitika. Now sound is clear. Trading and profit and loss account. Trading account for the year ended. Trading account for the year ended. Trading account for the year ended. Dot. Particulars rupees. Particulars rupees. Debit, credit. To opening stock opening stock 10,000. To purchase $40,000 less return $150. 39,850. To wage and salaries. To wages and salaries 1,000. To royalty on production 1,200. To excise duty debit. To excise duty excise duty 1,200. Buy sales 60,000. Less return 150. 9,900. Buy closing stock 20,000. Now 79,900, 79,900, 26,600, 26,650 to gross profit, transfer to gross profit, transfer to profit and loss account, to gross profit transfer to profit and loss account. Now trading account debit side, to opening stock 10,000, to opening stock 10,000, to purchase research less return 150, to wages and salaries 1,000 debit side, to royalty on production 1200, to excise duty 1200, to buy sales 60,000, by less return 100, 59,900, by closing stock 20,000, to gross profit transfer to PL 26,650. Okay. Next, profit and loss account for the year ended. Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account for the year ended. Debit, credit, particulars, okay. So now to buy gross profit 26650, buy gross profit transfer from trading account 26,650, 50. Buy interest on investment 5,000, buy interest on investment 5,000, by interest on investment 5,000. Okay. So now to sales tax 800, to trade expenses, 800, to incidental expenses, 600, to audit fees 2,000, to brokerage 600, to brokerage 600, the total 31,650, 31,650, to net profit transfer to capital account, net profit transfer to capital account 26850, 26850. The by gross profit 26650, by interest investment 5,000, by sales tax 800, trade expenses 800, incidental expenses 600, audit fees 2000, brokerage 600, net profit in transfer to capital account 26850, 26850. Okay. Then now balance sheet. Balance sheet as at liability, assets, liability, assets, capital. Now capital 12,000, add net profit, add net profit 26850, 26850, total 38,850. bank overdraft 8,000, bank overdraft 8,000, total 850, bank overdraft 8,000, bank overdraft 8,000. machinery machinery 9850, building 6,000, building 6,000, livestock 8,000, goodwill 6,000, debtors 6,000, closing stock 20,000. The total, the bank overdraft 8,000, creditors 9,000. Sorry, creditors 9,000, 55,850, 55,850, 55,850. So now capital 12,000, add net profit 36,850, the total 38,850, bank order 8,000, creditors 9,000, goodwill 6,000, machinery 9,850, building 6,000, livestock 8,000, debtors 6,000, closing stock 20,000. Okay. Okay. Goodbye. Today is now in my class. Thank you.